Hey, what's going on, guys? Kyle over at Elite Edge Gym here to demonstrate for you the TRX TYI. Now, sometimes we will do these exercises all together, first a T, then a Y, then finishing with a I. Sometimes we'll do them separately in our boot camp workouts, okay? And occasionally we'll do these lying face down on a bench at a 45-degree angle using a pair of dumbbells as well. We'll have another video up for you that demonstrates that variation of this exercise. But I'm going to walk you through how to handle the TRX TYI and coach your clients on it. I'm going to start by getting in an inverted position, okay? So I'm going to set my feet, arms are going to extend straight back, right like so, okay? Now, key to your TRX TYI, when I perform this exercise, I don't want to bend and unbend at the hips, okay? I want to keep my back nice and straight the entire time, squeeze my glutes as I'm performing the entire exercise, and never lead with my hips to generate momentum, okay? First thing I'm going to do is my TRX T. I'm going to go arms straight out. As you notice, my arms stay straight the entire time. There's no bend and unbend in my elbows, okay? So what I don't want to do is row and extend my arms out. That's going to be my next coaching cue for you. Let's focus on full extension of the arms the entire time so that the upper back is being used. Now from there, I'm going to turn those handles, turn my wrist to 10 and 2 o'clock, and go into my TRX Y next, coming back down, and then I'm going to finish by going handles straight up into my Y, nice and strict, and returning back down, right like so, okay? If you have somebody that really struggles with this exercise, understanding it to start off with, best way to coach them on it if you're struggling with it is have them walk their feet further back, okay? Have them bring their feet back, make it a mechanically easier exercise for them so that they can learn the form first and then apply it, reapplying it and making it harder when they bring their feet further forward towards the latter end of the workout, okay? Guys, give these coaching cues a try the next time we do TRX TYIs in one of our boot camp workouts.